friends, our journey has reached its destination. Endless Forms Most Beautiful is finally out. This is downtown Helsinki on March the 27th, the day of the release.
I love it, I love it. I love the music, the sound, and the outfit, and everything about that.
And where are you from?
From Rio, Brazil.
Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from Italy, but I just came from London because I live in London and I came yesterday for this event.
Okay. What makes Nightwish #1 band for you?
The diversity of the music, all the lyrics of course, and I mean it's like there's a story behind every single page of the lyrics, and every single note is something like gets you inside.
And how long have you been standing in the line?
I've been standing in line since 9:30 in the morning, but it's okay because for the previous album I was here again in Helsinki and I've been waiting for 14 hours, so it's becoming kind of a tradition.
But it's been brilliant. I mean, the fans are so lovely. You know, it's just, what can you do? It's all good for
Hey, very good.
Kun just ostin, että ainoastaan kuului 3 biisiä ennen kuin lähdin kaupungille, niin Radio Rockilta tuli aina tunnin välein, niin 3 biisiä vasta.
Ja mikä mielikuva niistä on muodostunut?
No hyvä, eli sama tahti jatkuu.
Mahtava albumi.
Hyvä kuulla.
Minkälainen tapahtuma se oli tavata bändi?
Ihan tosi hienoa. En oo aikaisemmin tavannut. Nyt on ihan kikseissä.
Minkälainen toi uusi levy on sun mielestä? Onko ehtin kuulla sitä?
Se on ihan uskomattoman hyvä. Mä tykkään. Se on Floor on upea ja kaikki muutkin on aivan mielettömän hyviä. Se on, mä rakastan sitä.
And so it goes. We bid you all adieu for now. But the Nightwish adventure continues.